Hey everyone, I know you've missed me. I've been kind of busy training for strongman stuff, but we're going to get back to some ambitious DIY projects here. I'm going to show you what I'm working on. It's going to be a semi-DIY, semi contractor assisted install, and you'll see why. Right here. So it's going to be a partial DIY, partial contractor build, just because I couldn't order Tesla Powerwall without a licensed contractor. And fortunately for me, my friend and coworker just became a licensed contractor, so I was able to order it through him. And I went through the same permitting company that did my solar panels to update the plans for the Tesla Powerwall. So in one sense, it's going to be a DIY project, because still a lot of people don't really know how this is supposed to be installed. So it's taken a lot of work on my end and my friend's end to make sure my home was compatible and how we were going to do it and everything. But the plan for this is going to be to install 5 more upgraded panels onto my system. So right now I have 20. This is going to bring it up to 25 and going to use the full space of the roof. We're going to be getting rid of the inverter because the Tesla Powerwall doesn't need it. It has one built in that can handle up to 20 kilowatt hours. The way Tesla wanted to install it when they were going to do it is they wanted to keep the inverter, but that wouldn't have given me the ability to add panels, and it would have limited my the amount of power I could have fed into the Powerwall through an existing inverter. So we're going to do it the way I wanted to do it, and it's going to be a couple weeks, so stay tuned and we'll figure this out.